Okay, for my organization of my stamps and my dies, in order to be able to find them faster, I use something called Evernote. You can get an app for your phone, and there's one for the computer as well. So what I do is I take my new stamps or my new dies, I light them from left and right because I want to be able to see very well. I take my app, which I will show you here, so I'm going to add a new set because I can't remember what this one's called. Breathe in deep, blah, 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 blah. You're awesome. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to call this one. I'll just call it You're Awesome. You're, sorry, awesome. Now, then we're going to add the picture, take a photo, and now, I gotta move my camera. Sorry, just hold on a sec. Move the picture, that's what I'll do. Okay, so I'm going to just get it in line with there. What it does is it decides the picture. If I hold still enough, it captures it, and then it will save it down here. If you can see it, I am set to macro. Let's just hold on. It does not seem to have kept my macro. I do not know where it is. Anyways, oh, it did it again. Did not mean that to happen. So let's just get rid of that, and I'll save this. And so it will take that. Now that's in there for me to view and look for. And then what I'm going to do is I will go over here, tap over here, and I will, bring it down here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some words here so I can get this, because there's got a lot of words on this stamp. So let's just add those words. Breathe in deeply and let your life unfold, period. Friendship makes life more beautiful, period. You are my today and all of my tomorrows, period. You are amazing, remember that, period. Be strong, period. Be beautiful, period. Be fearless, period. Thank you, period. Bouquet of flowers, period. So what I do is I add all the key words that I think this might be, and the bouquet of flowers, it's good enough for that for now. I can always change it, and what it does is when I do it by typing is a pain on the phone, so I do it by voice, and I just double check that it's right. For now, we're going to say it is, and then I'm going to say done. Now, if I need to do a search in my thing, I'm going to say, okay, I need a card for friendship. So I will type in friendship, F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, and search. I'm just searching in this one thing. So it brought up this, You Are Awesome. So I'll tap in there. Now, it will highlight the word. You can see it there. It's a little off. There we go. It'll highlight, it'll read the picture. If you get a really clear picture, it'll read the picture, and then it'll also bring it up into your tags or wherever it is in there that you've got it. I'm sorry about the unfocusedness of this camera right at the moment. So this is how I do it, and it's a program called Evernote, and it's very, very handy. When I want to find a stamp, I can just use that. Now, I have to have some kind of organizational skills for where these are, but for the moment, this is where I'm at. I'm not at the point yet where I've got any great organizational skills for what to do with these stamp sets. I just thought I would share that with you today. Visit us on Facebook in the group All Things Cards, and also on YouTube we have this channel. I would really love it if you would subscribe. That would be very exciting to have more than just my family as subscribers. And thank you very much, and God bless.